So I'm here, and basically we're basically here just talking about Bitcoin and going live here. And what we want to understand is that where is Bitcoin going? Why is it going where it's going? What's new? Why is Bitcoin going up? If you see my recent video, you would know why. And don't forget to go to my account, subscribe, view the channel. Let's get these views up. Okay, let's show some support with the Cash App. Cash App me at PAPAKRISTOS. Show your support. It's either a K or a C. PAPACRISTOS. Show your support. Anything helps out. And now we're looking at different kind of coins here. One of the coin we talked about one coin, and that was Binance right here, Binance coin. And we're going to be talking about Tether. Okay, it's still at $1. It's been at $1 for a minute. Now Tether is it's a nice coin. Let's see what we know about Tether. It's basically USDT is a token that attempts to be tied to the US dollar. That's why it's not going anywhere. Ideally, this means that one USDT trade on exchange at the value of exactly US $1. Please note that Coinbase is not supported. Okay. All right, let's check out the website and see what it's about. Taking a minute there. We have looked at it. What other coins can we look at right here? Litecoin is doing good at 3.68. Chainlink is at 5.14. Bitcoin Cash is at 1.10. It's looking good here. Everything's just going up. It's going up really good, nice. You know, one thing about this is that you're making money on Bitcoin, and the economy is kind of shaky with the jobs and everything. And now they're going to be pushing out mandatory vaccines. What could you do? What can you do? What should you do? You know, it's the basically the question. And what most people have to understand is that Bitcoin could play a big part in making your next decision on what you want to do and how you want to do. Take this into the present future. I just was in my class recently, and two people said they went and took the vaccine shot, and it was their second one. So we'll see. Who knows what's going on? I hope that everybody basically is okay. I wonder what kind of vaccine they took, or maybe he said he got a checkup. I don't know if he said he got vaccine shot or he got a checkup, but I don't really trust it, but we'll see. Now Tether is digital money for digital age, okay? And we see here transparency update. We've combined the best of both worlds. Stable currency, 100% backed by what? Which include traditional currency and cash equivalents, and from time to time may include other assets and receivable from loans. Okay, transparent, secure, blockchain technology, money built for the internet. That's what we need right now. Like I told you, I just recently sent money, and they tell me it's not going to get there till the 22nd. If we had Bitcoin, it'd be there on the same day, as you see. So Bitcoin, digital currency, is a must. It's a must for the 21st century. Who wants to be waiting 4 days for somebody else to receive money? A lot of things can be done. A lot of money can be made within those 4 days if they had received that money and could flip it and do more with it. And this is industry suppliers. So when these people use TETHER, things happen. But we've seen for a while now that it's been at $1. It's been at $1 for a long time. Let's see all right here. Ooh, it's just a straight narrow, not backed by Coinbase. Look at this dip right here. I wonder what happened here. This looks weird. This was 2019, so it's at $1, negative 17.74. Circulation supply 33.5 billion. Okay, I think Ether is also a name of a car in Asia. I said it before. Who knows? Okay, and then if we go back down here, we see that we got Litecoin, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash. Let's check out Bitcoin Cash. Let's see. We're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash later. Bitcoin Cash is at 718. Wow. Okay. Do I have some of that? Wow, 718. That's a lot. This stuff is going up. It's going to be at 1,000 pretty soon. Okay. Stellar Loomis is at 51. All right, we got progress. Okay. Dogecoin is at 0.550. It took a hit. All right, but today we're talking about Ether. Now, let's also look at the news. Let's see what's going on the news. You know, it's basically there's a lot of stuff going on about where Bitcoin is going to be in the future. Now, I'm telling you, take advantage of the small coins. Go in there, throw $100 in. Don't think that you're missing out on the action because it has just begun. It's just started. Things are just starting right now. Yes, you missed out since 2012, but you still have a chance. You're not late. That you're still going to make something out of nothing. Okay? It's all about
with Fundrise, the same kind of real estate investments that have powered the world.
It's all about the future, and we got basically three more. We got till 2030 to go. We got till 2030. So let's always remember, start. You gotta buy low, and with Bitcoin, earn high. Okay, where you could pull out money and still be in the game. Pulling out money means that you're pulling out reasonable amount, keeping half of it for yourself, taking the other half, putting it into your business or putting it into a vehicle that could make more money, and you could put that money back into Coinbase. And they're already threatening people and saying, putting a scarcity out there that Bitcoin is, you know, there might not be any more, but we still have other currency like Tezos, like THETA, and more Dash. So look for it. Don't give up. A lot of us are behind. I'm behind, but make sure that you take advantage of this and invest in this. This is one thing that's very easy. It's not like the stock market or like day trading or options where you got to be in front and you got to be, you know, guessing and hoping. It's backed by trade, but now we're seeing a lot of people putting money into it, and there's a lot of people putting money in there and boosting it up. It's not being taken up by transactions, but by people that are influencing by putting it in. So putting money into Bitcoin. So due to the supply and demand, Bitcoin is going up, but not due to transactions. But that's a good thing. It's good to know that Bitcoin can go up both ways, by people putting money in and by transaction. You can't get that from the dollar. Okay, so that's it for now. Digital currency news, Bitcoin news. Let's see what's going on with Max Kaiser.
Perceived daylight robbery about the history of taxation. It's very fascinating, but it's relevant to today because as we see the money printer go brrr, it's the same story that's been going on since ancient Mesopotamia of men with guns, as Paul Krugman calls them, like to come around and collect some of your money or try to redistribute it around as favors to some groups of people over other groups of people. Well, Biden should send every American as much money as Jeff Bezos has. We should demand it. Where's my money, Joe? That's what I had tweeted because, they're getting ready for another $1.9 trillion to send out, and they're trying to allocate who gets it this time. And of course, the last go around, we saw basically the oligarchs plunder most of it. Ordinary people did receive quite a bit, but now they're handing out some more money.
The problem is the money itself. That's the problem. So, therefore, the solution to any of the perceived problems can never be to hand out more of the foundational problem, and that is the money itself. This fiat money, since 1971, no fiat money in the world has ever been really now connected to anything that you would equate with a store of value. It's just basically an accounting fraud, essentially. In the United States, they print trillions and trillions of dollars. They claw back some of that in taxes, which is completely unnecessary. They drop it by the trillions on the pallet load full in places like Iraq without any accountability whatsoever. And then there's always this question like, why is everything so messed up? Why is the country falling apart? Why is there social unrest? Without understanding, and Paul Krugman is got to be the most blind to this of anyone in the United States. It's the money.
What's that saying? Something along the lines of like, if you show me who pays them, then I'll show you the incentive structure. Charlie Munger. So, you tune into the cable news, you tune into any political debate, and what you see is the fact that, as Dominic Frisby points out in the interview that you're about to see, is all of these measures going back to ancient Mesopotamia start as a temporary thing. Always, the population only allows it if there's a war or a crisis.
So yeah, we see that. I like the shirt. What she's saying is true. It's crazy how Texas, Nevada, taxes are very affordable, but here in California the taxes are so high. And that's basically due to all the bonds, the debt, and everything else that's going on. California is very expensive. People say it's very nice. Yeah, it's a nice place, but it's a lot of sacrifice going on here to make it the way it is. A lot of people have to die. A lot of people have to lose their homes. A lot of people are kicked out of where they're at, where they live. Okay, a lot of people have been screwed over. When I say screwed over, I mean squashed. So Bitcoin is the way. Coinbase is the way. People want something new. People want something better. Bitcoin is now at 55,487. Oh my God, this stuff's gonna hit 60,000 anytime soon. The time is now. Invest. If you don't even have to have that much, you could put 2,500. I say is good. You could live off that 2,500. Invest in Bitcoin. Invest in Coinbase. Make a living out of it. I just took some money out of it, but I'm still in the game. Take advantage of the small coins. This is digital currency news, Bitcoin news. Have a good day. Subscribe. Show your support. Please subscribe. You go right here when you're watching the movie, the video. Okay, this one is live. No, this one is right here. And basically, you will come right here.
Hey there, how you doing, guys?
See that?
How you doing?
And you will hit right here, the thumbs up, like that, and then you'll hit subscribe right here. Okay? So, show your support, help out, please. You guys are making me beg here. Help out, send something, Cash App me. You could download it on your phone or app, It's very important that the news that I'm bringing out is nobody's going to get into detail like you with this. You've seen them with Bloomberg, Max Kaiser, and all the other ones. They keep it short, they keep it entertaining, but they're not giving you info. So come back for more. I come on every day, especially on the weekends and during the weekdays, giving you that real hardcore, inside depth, strategic way of getting into Bitcoin and making a profit out of it and living off of it. Thanks for coming by. Have a good day and get some Bitcoins.